Hey bugs, so we're going to cut into our Cap'n Crunch Oops All Berry soap, and it's still a bit soft, but let's see how this goes. We might have to fix a few bars, but that's okay. This is not in the mood to wait any longer to cut it, so here we go. It's the inside. And all of these should be different because we did the drop swirl. That's pretty. Already had to fix a couple bars. Some of the soap wouldn't release from the mold, or was stuck to the mold rather. But you'll have that. Still quite sticky, but that's really, really pretty on the inside. And it smells just like the cereal. And that's the top with our crunch berries. Ooh. Almost done. Then we're gonna have some sample slices out of this, but I also made, for whatever reason, too much soap. So we also have some owls, and I'll unmold those. And we will see how everything looks for the final cut, and in the end, at the end of the video, as normal. I'm really like obsessed with drop swirls now, you guys. You don't even understand. Oh, that one is really nice. Cutesy, cutesy. Final bar. Oh, that's gorgeous. And then we have our end piece that definitely needs to be fixed. I'm just gonna shave some of this off. I'll turn it to the side so you can see how it's like bubbling. Well, not bubbling, but bulged out. I don't know how that happened, but still cute bars. And we have our owls here. And I could have put this in a loaf, but I didn't feel like it. These are so cute. So I'm going to finish popping these out. I'll show you guys how it looks all together. And I will see you in the next one. Be well and stay blessed. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.